Hi everyone, today we want to write a code for MODIS NDVI. In the first step we define the area of interest and I write it to the extract the Paris. My area of interest is the Paris, and after this here we need to define the time period for the satellite image. We use the MODIS satellite, and I added the start date for the from the April 2022 until the September 2022. And after this here we need to define the NDVI variable. I write it to the variable and like this, define the NDVI 2020 equal EE.image collection. And in this part, you need to add the MODIS satellite. I added the MODIS 006 MOD13A2. And you can check the description of this with a learn more like this. This is the MODIS Terra Vegetation Index. 16 days and global 1 kilometer, and the availability from 2000 until 2023, and dataset provided from the NASA and other centers. And you can study and review the description of this dataset, and you can access the user guides. And we have the 7 bonds here, surface reflectance, and as you can see we have an NDVI index and EVI index, and the mean is minus 2000, max is 10,000. And we use it here, the NDVI one, like this. We filter the data after selecting the image collection or dataset. We write a dot filter date, the start date we define it above, and end date 2020, and after this here dot select NDVI, and we want to the mean value of this time period. And we need to add this is a tricky point, you need to add the dot multiply to the 0.001. This is a scale factor as described per dataset documentation. You can the review documentation. And the other section, as you know, is a resolution of a parameters, and we need to add some palette to the resolution. We define the minimum and maximum value. As you know, the NDVI range is a -1 until to +1, but for better resolution we use the -0.02. And the maximum range is 1, and we use this color palette to the showing and displaying the NDVI. And after this here we need to the add center to map when you run the code, start the code from the center of the map. And after this need to add the layer of NDVI created above. I write the map.addLayer NDVI 2020, and resolution parameter I described above, and NDVI 2023. I can edit it as 2022, and we can run it, and you can see the results. The high vegetation area has a dark green, and low vegetation area has a yellow green. As you can see, the city center of Paris has a low resolution, and this image related to the 2022, and you can create for the 2000 like this, and you can edit this one and run again, and you can see the NDV of 2000. And with the inspector you can, if you want to extract a point of NDVI, you can select, for example, here, and you can see the urban areas NDVI is a 0.07, or for example this areas you can see 0.77. And if you turn it off the layer we want to compare, you can see this area is the green area, and yeah, the result is correct. Please subscribe and like our video and watch our other videos. Thank you.